morning to you all. It is a momentous occasion for us to celebrate our Golden Jubilee, Swarnim Prakashta, as we commemorate 50 years of excellence. On behalf of APS Akhnoor, with immense pleasure, I take this opportunity to welcome our distinguished chief guest and patron, Major General Samir Srivastava, Vishish Seva Medal, General Officer Commanding, 10 Rifles. The General has rendered distinguished service to the nation, where he was part of Operagram, that is Kargil War, and has served at the highest battlefield, Surgeon. Sir has tenanted various appointments at Army Headquarters and has trained young officers as an instructor at Infantry School, Mark. Sir's vast experience and service to the nation is a beacon of light to guide us all. We are delighted to welcome Mrs. Meena Srivastava, Chairperson, Family Welfare Organization. We are grateful to you, ma'am, to grace this occasion with your inspiring and humble presence. Ma'am is Masters in Business Management and has been working in ITS industry for past 20 years. Presently, ma'am is holding a prestigious appointment as a Senior Vice President, National Australia Bank. Sir, ma'am, we are truly honored to have you here to witness the culmination of a year's hard work and dedication by our students. Your inspirational presence will undoubtedly motivate and inspire us to strive for greater heights. Sir, your unwavering support and guidance have been instrumental in shaping our school what it is today. Esteemed guests, dear parents and students, we extend a very warm welcome to you all. Let us celebrate this Swarnim Prakashta with grandeur and gratitude. I hand over the mic to Sonali. Jai Hind.
हमारी तहसीब में दीप जलाना सिर्फ एक रस्म नहीं बल्कि एक दुआ है। हम खुशनसीब हैं कि आज हमारे साथ हमारे मोहतरम मेहमान खुशूसी इज्जत एहतराम काबिल सदर व दिगर अहले करम मौजूद है, जिनकी मौजूदगी ना सिर्फ हमारे लिए वैसे फख्र है बल्कि जिनकी शख्सियत हमारी आने वाली नस्ल के लिए मुशालेदार है। तो आज की इस महफिल का आगाज करने के लिए मैं गुजारिश करूंगी हमारे मोहतरम मेहमान खुशूसी मिसेस मीना श्रीवास्तव मैम का कि वह दीप प्रज्वलन की इस रस्म को अदा करें।
मधुर मधुर मेरे दीपक जल, मधुर मधुर मेरे दीपक जल, युग युग प्रतिदिन प्रतिक्षण प्रतिपल प्रियतम का पथ आलोकित कर, मधुर मधुर मेरे दीपक जल।
तू असीम तेरा प्रकाश चीर, तू असीम तेरा प्रकाश चीर, खेलेंगे तब खेल निरंतर, तम के अणु अणु में विद्युत सा अमित चित्र अंकित करता चल, सरल सरल मेरे दीपक जल।
तारे शीतल कोमल नूतन मांग रहे तुझसे ज्वालातन, विश्व शलभ सिर धुन कहती है, हाय न जल पाया तुझ में मिल, सिहर सिहर मेरे दीपक जल।
जलते नभ में देख असंख्य स्नेह नित कितने दीपक, जल में सागर का उर जलता विद्युत लिखता है बादल, विहस विहस मेरे दीपक जल। देवी और सज्जनों, प्रकाश चमक और समृद्धि का प्रतीक है। जिस प्रकार सूर्य की किरणें तमस रूपी अंधकार को दूर कर धैर्य का स्रोत बनती है, उसी प्रकार दीपक की लौ जीवन में सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोण प्रदान करती है। मैं शुक्रिया करना चाहूंगी हमारे मोहतरम मेहमान खुशूसी और अन्य खास मेहमानों का आज की इस महफिल का आगाज करने के लिए। Now over to Nitika for the further proceedings.
She is the melody, she is the love. She is the wisdom that guides our heart. Ma Saraswati, we bow to you. Bless us with knowledge, deep and true.
कमल पुष्प पर आसित माँ देती ज्ञान का सागर में, कहती कीचड़ में भी कमल बनो, अपने कर्मों से महान। हे शारदे माँ, आपका वंदन करते हैं, श्री पुष्पों की माला आपके चरणों में अर्पण करते हैं। विद्या की देवी माँ सरस्वती सभी का कल्याण करें। और सभी को कुशाग्र बुद्धि प्रदान करे। इस वंदना से आपके अभिनंदन से, जी हाँ, इस वंदना से आपके अभिनंदन से उत्साह से आगाज करते हैं। माता सरस्वती की इस वंदना से कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करते हैं।
Let us now invoke her grace with folded hands in a tranquil space, presenting to you the sacred Vandana, a prayer to awaken our inner ध्यान.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। वीणा पुस्तकधारिणी वरवीणा पुस्तकधारिणी वाणी मङ्गलकारिणी चतुलराणी योगविचारिणी। सुमनसवन्दित सुन्दरि माधवी चन्द्र सहोदरि हेममयी मुनिगणवन्दित मोक्षप्रदायिनि मञ्जुळभाषिणि वेदनुते पङ्कजवासिनि देवसुपूजित सद्गुणवर्षिणि शान्तियुते जय जय हे मधुसूदनकामिनि आदिलक्ष्मि जय पालय
morning everyone. Respected Major General Samir Srivastava, Vishesh Seva Medal, General Officer Commanding Crossford Division and Patent Army Public School Lucknow. Mrs. Meena Srivastava, Chairperson,
Family Welfare Organization, Crossword Division, our esteemed guests, respected parents, dedicated staff, and dear students. It is with great pleasure and honor that I welcome you all to our annual day celebrations. Today is a momentous occasion as we commemorate the golden jubilee of our esteemed institution. 5 decades of excellence, growth, and cherished memories. Over the years, our school has blossomed into a beacon of learning, instilling knowledge, values, and dreams in countless young minds. As part of our Golden Jubilee celebrations, we organized cherished events showcasing our school's vibrant spirit. Celebrations kicked off with the time capsule ceremony, symbolizing our dreams and aspirations for the future. The plantation drive under Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam campaign reaffirmed our commitment to environmental sustainability. Our students demonstrated creativity and brilliance through AI, science, mathematics, and book exhibitions, igniting a passion for learning. The Literary Fest inspired young minds, while the Alumni Meet strengthened intergenerational bonds, enriching our school's legacy. The year has been phenomenal for academic achievements too. We are proud to announce that our school achieved 100% results in the CBSE board examination. Ms. Kajal Raghuvanshi topped class 12th with an incredible 98.4% marks, while Ms. Rahini Manrai led class 10th with 95.2% marks. These outstanding performances, they reflect our students' hard work, teachers' dedication, and of course, parents' continuous support. Our school has been consistently excelling in sports. The school team emerged as winners of the Northern Command Inter-School Boys Basketball as well as Volleyball Championship, demonstrating outstanding hard work and athletic skills. In individual sports too, Ms. Chavi Sharma represented India in fencing at 3 different international events and won the bronze medal in the Commonwealth Cadet Championship held in New Zealand. Ms. Raghvi Singh and Master Aryan Sharma clinched gold medals at the state level weightlifting and wrestling competitions respectively, earning spots for the national level event. In netball, Ms. Samanvi Sharma, Ms. Meghna Nakka and Master Raj Chahar represented the state at national level championship. Master Shiva Manhas and Ms. Priya Devi were selected for the state volleyball and state kho-kho teams respectively. Nevertheless, Ms. Aradhya and Ms. Jia won medals at the state level archery event. These accomplishments, they highlight the school's dedication to fostering young athletes and promoting sportsmanship. In the realm of co-curricular activities, our English debate team comprising of Ms. Sonali Dev, Ms. Niharika Langar and Ms. Samanvi Sharma was adjudged runner-up in the Northern Command Inter-School Debate Competition. 13 students from our school have showcased their literary talent this year by authoring books in 2024. These young authors, they have made their mark in the literary world with their works published by renowned publishers. Army Public School Akuru also stood tall in the CBSE Heritage Quiz, where we were shortlisted among the top 30 schools from the Chandigarh region for the second round, represented by Mriganka Sharma, Sonali Dev and Shilpa Devi, where our team stood runner-up. Adding to these achievements, the brilliance of our faculty and students also extend to creative pursuits. We are proud to share that our teacher, Ms. Shalini Sharma, PGT Biology, and student Ms. Samanvi Sharma earned recognition in photography with their works being exhibited at the prestigious Jaipur Photography Exhibition scheduled from 19 December to 23 December 2024. We are even proud to share the outstanding achievements of our staff and students in various competitions and award ceremonies. For its outstanding results in CCA activities, the school have been awarded the Northern Command Co-Curricular Activities Trophy for the session 2023-24. Mr. Manoj Sharma was recognized as the best TGT in the Northern Command. The prestigious White Knight Award was conferred to Mrs. Shweta Sekarwar and Mrs. Sangeeta Bhatt for their exceptional contribution to teaching. While Ms. Samanvi Sharma received the award in the student category for her commendable achievements. In addition to this, the Crossroad Award was also awarded to Ms. Chavi Sharma, Master Abhay Pratap and Master Shorin Chahar. remarkable example for the entire school community. This year, our school continued its commitment to social responsibility under Project Vidyanjali, wherein we have adopted a local school to assist and empower its children. The school community contributed rupees 3,06,000 to the Helpage Foundation. These initiatives reflect our determination to foster inclusivity and give back to the community. As we celebrate our Golden Jubilee and look into the future, we stand proud of our legacy and remain committed to nurturing young minds, inspiring excellence and shaping leaders of tomorrow. Let us carry this journey of learning, growth and success forward with renewed determination. I'll conclude by quoting our late Honorable President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's words. Dream, dream, dream. For dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts results into action. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
आपके विचार आपकी पहचान है, चेहरे पे सदा आपके मुस्कान है, आपकी मौजूदगी हमारी महफिल की शान है, आपसे ही तो हम सब की पहचान है। धन्यवाद महोदय।
ठीक ठीक लाइट ऑफ कर दिया। हाँ मनु हाँ फोन पर।
सिद्धार्थ, मैं तुम्हारा स्टेटस देख रही थी। तुम कहाँ गए थे? वह कौन से लोग थे जो इतना अच्छा नृत्य कर रहे थे? मैंने तो ऐसा नृत्य कभी नहीं देखा। Hold on, Rishita. Have some patience. I will tell you about a tribal dance. Tribal dance? वो क्या होता है? Wait. First, I would request all the beloved audience to grab your seats and tighten your hands because we are going to present a delightful and fascinating tribal dance show which will be performed by our cheerful, creative and energetic kids. They will show us luminous moves which will remind us of our rich cultures and forgotten traditions and will make smiles on our faces. तुमसे ही सृष्टि ने सीखा करना प्रकृति का सम्मान, तुमसे ही सुरक्षित सभ्यताएं, तुमसे ही विकसित हुआ इंसान, तुमसे ही विकसित हुआ इंसान। आइए ले चले आपको एक ऐसे सफर पर जहां हमारे नन्हे मुन्ने कलाकार करवाएंगे आपका परिचय आदिवासियों की आत्मा, उनकी संस्कृति और उनके जीवन की धारा से। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें।
Thank you.
जो हमें न केवल मनोरंजन प्रदान करता है बल्कि अनदेखे देशों और भूले हुए समय की यात्रा भी कराता है। आज हमारे छात्र इस मंच पर वास्तविक एक दिल छूने वाली और प्रेरणादायक कहानी दी हैप्पी प्रिंस का जीवंत रूप प्रस्तुत करेंगे, जो हमें एक उदार राजकुमार और निस्वार्थ छोटी चिड़िया के माध्यम से बताएंगे मानवता और बलिदान का सच्चा अर्थ।
So, settle into your seats, keep the excitement levels high, and allow our young actors to whisk you away to a magical land in an even more magical time. Get ready to say hello to our young stars and welcome them to the stage with a huge round of applause.
High above the city, where the stars seems to touch the heavens, stands the happy prince, adorned in gold and sparkling with jewels. But inside that gilded facades, there lies the heart of soul, unseen by those below. What is this prince really made of? Is he merely a statue or something more? Are you all ready to see that what lies inside the gilded mask? Because it is the journey that will leave you changed forever. Prepare to be stunned, to be moved, and to see the world in a light you have never imagined. The statue of the happy prince is situated on a pole, looking over the city. He had a sword with ruby on its handle, sapphires for eyes, and delicate leaves of gold covering his entire body. One day, I'm tired, and I think that this is the right place to live, and I will go to Egypt tomorrow. Huh? A drop of water? The night sky is clear. There is not even a single cloud. But still, is it raining? Huh? Again, a drop of water? Oh, the tears are running on golden cheeks. Who are you?
I'm the happy prince.
Happy Prince? Then why are you crying?
I'm crying because I'm sad.
Oh, Happy Prince, what happened?
Oh dear, it's a long story. I lived in City Palace first. I was always happy. I had no reason to be sad because I knew my people were happy too. But when I died, they made a golden statue of me and put me here. From here, I can see the sadness of my people. And even though my heart is made of lead, it feels sad.
Oh, Happy Prince, is there someone who is still suffering?
Far away in the little street, there's a house. Through the window, I can see a woman. She's embroidering a gown for princess, but her son is suffering from fever and asking for in this, but his mother cannot afford.
Oh,
Oh, little swallow, take the ruby from her spot and give it to her.
no, Happy Prince, I can't do that. I have to go to Egypt.
Please swallow, this child is very hungry.
So he took the ruby and went to the poor house. He put the ruby on the table beside the woman.
Thank you so much for your kind deed, little swallow.
Next morning, the swallow is very confused to stay with the prince or to leave him. Dear prince, I'm going to Egypt now.
Little swallow, I saw a man far away across the city. He's trying to finish a play for the director in the theater. But it is too cold to finish it. There is no fire in the grate, and hunger has made him faint.
Oh, so shall I take one ruby from you?
Alas, I have no ruby now. My eyes are all that I have left. You can take them. They're made of sapphires.
Oh, what are you saying, Happy Prince? I can't do that. You will be blind.
Little swallow, do as I command you.
So he plucked out one of his eyes and gave it to the playwright and flew back to the Prince. Dear Prince, now I'm going to Egypt finally. My friends are waiting and I have to go.
Little swallow, will you stay with me one night longer?
Oh, no, dear. It's winter and it's going to be cold soon. I can't stay with you.
But in the square, below the moon, there's a little match girl. She has let her matches fall in the drainage. If she didn't bring some money home, her father will beat her. Take one other eye and give it to her. Then her father will not beat her.
No, Happy Prince, I can't do that. You will be blind.
Little swallow, do as I say.
So he took the eye and flew to the March girl and placed it near her.
Now you must go to Egypt, my friend. Your friend wasn't waiting. Your friend was waiting there for you.
Egypt? How can you say that? You are blind and I will become your eyes and help you. Next day, the little swallow started telling stories to the blind villagers. Dear Prince, the rich are making merry, but poor are still suffering with hunger.
Oh, so sad. Is the animal who is still suffering?
Hey, pure light, joy, cheers! Dear Prince, under an archway bridge, two children are holding each other's hands to get warm.
My friend, I feel the shake is cold, but my heart still aches for the city's pain. I have lived too long on the shelf. I'm covered with fine gold, but I don't need that. Take it all and distribute amongst the poor. They should not suffer.
So the swallow took sadly all the gold from the prince's body and gave it to the needy people. After that, the snow came, and after the snow came the frost. The poor little swallow grew colder and colder, but he would not leave the place. Dear Prince, it's time for me to go finally.
I'm glad that you're eventually going to Egypt at last.
Dear Prince, I'm not going to Egypt, but towards that. Then the swallow died and fell in the feet of Happy Prince. Suddenly, there was a loud sound like a clap. It was the sound of breaking of Prince's leg. Next morning, the mayor of the city, with his two councillors, came across the statue.
What an ugly statue. It's not shining anymore.
Yes, sir. It's not looking good at all.
And see this dead bird. Who will clean this?
Yes, sir. You are absolutely right.
Counselor, break it down immediately and make another beautiful statue at this place.
Okay, sir.
So they pulled down the statue of the Happy Prince. The workmen at the foundry threw the leg half of the Happy Prince on a heap of dust where the dead swallow was also lying. And the God in heaven sees all this.
Why are you looking so sad?
Oh Lord, we have nothing to do.
Okay, then
Go to the earth and bring the two most precious things from the earth.
As your desire, Almighty. But wait, what two things could be the most precious on the earth? A diamond or a flower? What it could be? What is that? Nothing other than these two things could be the most precious. Wow, what a lovely heart, full of kindness and selfless love. God, these are the two things I found the most precious on the earth.
you have rightly chosen. My children, we have suffered so much. A heart that shattered from the pain of others. A soul that gave everything, even its last breath. Such love, such sacrifice. The world cast you aside, made you blind. But here, in my kingdom, no
पता, ये राजस्थान की पारंपरिक कठपुतली कला है जो हमें मनोरंजन का अनोखा अनुभव कराती है।
Kathputli, that sounds even more magical. Can you tell me something interesting about it?
अरे अरु, इसमें बताना क्या? तो चलो आज मैं तुम्हें और हमारे दर्शकों को कठपुतलियों की इस रंगीन दुनिया की सैर करवाती हूँ। तो बिना किसी देरी के स्वागत करते हैं उन कलाकारों का जो रंग बिरंगी कठपुतलियों में जान डालेंगे और हमें इस अनोखी दुनिया की सैर करवाएंगे।
phenomenal performance.
क्या आप में से कोई पंचकोशा के बारे में जानता है? नहीं?
Really?
अरे दीपिका, क्यों ना हम इन्हें पंचतत्वों के एक रहस्यमय संसार में ले चले?
That sounds great, Shiksha. However, Panchkosh is a Sanskrit term derived from ancient Indian philosophy and irony. It means the 5 elements.
पंचतत्वों का संगम है जीवन का सार। पृथ्वी, जल, अग्नि, वायु और आकाश का उभार। इन्हीं तत्वों में है सृष्टि की कहानी, इनका संतुलन ही है हमारी जिंदगानी।
Magnificent. It's time to get ready to be swept away by the energetic and joyful performance of tooting and pandas.
तो जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करते हैं हमारे अद्भुत कलाकारों का।
Earth, water, fire, air, and space are elemental energies inside each of us. Let's look deeper.
of music can transport one to a magical land where everything is possible and anything can happen.
संगीत से सबको है प्यार, संगीत के बिना अधूरा है संसार। बड़े बड़े कलाकार जब गाते बजाते हैं तो इंसान तो क्या, पशु पक्षी भी मंत्रमुग्ध हो जाते हैं।
Presenting you live music that will sweep you off your feet. No filters, no tech, just pure orchestral magic.
दोस्तों, ऑर्केस्ट्रा सिर्फ एक संगीत का कार्यक्रम नहीं, बल्कि एक जज्बा है, एक जुनून है जो हमें एक नई दुनिया में ले जाता है। और जैसे किसी शायर ने क्या खूब कहा है कि सुरों की लहरों पर चले जब ये रात, सुरों की लहरों पर चले जब ये रात, दिल की गहराइयों में बस जाए हर बार।
Let's get ready to let our minds dance and our hearts soar with music. A Fantasia orchestra where every instrument tells a story, every note takes you on an adventure, and every melody paints a picture in your mind.
तो आइए सुनते हैं वाद्य यंत्रों की जुगलबंदी शिव रंजनी राग में। तो जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए हमारे प्रतिभाशाली संगीतकारों का।
शिवम, तुम क्या यम यम करे जा रहे हो? यमराज को बुला रहे हो क्या? हाँ, यमराज को ही बुला रहा हूँ। तुम्हारी तो जैसे हालत है, कभी घुटनों में सिर दर्द, तो कभी किडनी में हार्ट अटैक। तुम्हें यमपुरी पहुंचने में देर नहीं लगेगी। तुम्हें दिख नहीं रहा कि मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ। कल मेरी परीक्षा है और मुझे योग सूत्र याद करने हैं। अब मुझे परेशान मत करो और यहाँ से प्रस्थान करो। अरे लगता है तुम्हारी अकल घुटनों में है। योग रखने से नहीं, करने से आता है। आओ, मैं तुम्हें कुछ योगासन करके दिखाता हूँ। चलो चलते हैं।
That is, what is the true essence of life?
मयंक, तुम्हारे सवाल का जवाब मैं मैं नहीं, हमारे कलाकार बोले। जी हाँ देवी और सज्जनों, आज मंच पर पेश होगी एक ऐसी कहानी जो छुएगी दिलों को। हमारे कलाकार दिखाएंगे संवेदना की झलक, हर पल में होगा भावनाओं का स्पर्श।
तो तालियों के साथ स्वागत करें हमारे प्रतिभाशाली कलाकारों का, जिनकी प्रस्तुति करवाएगी आपको रूबरू जिंदगी की सच्चाई से।
पापा न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे हो? अच्छा आपसे एक बात बोलूं? क्या चाहिए? आपको कैसे पता मुझे कुछ चाहिए? पापा वो मुझे इनोवा ले दो ना। क्या पापा कितनी बड़ी गाड़ी है? मेरे सभी दोस्तों के पास इतनी बड़ी बड़ी गाड़ी है और अकेले मैं ये जो बाइक लेके जाती हूँ। प्लीज पापा। पापा इसमें सोचना क्या है, ले दो ना प्लीज, प्लीज ले दो। मैं प्रॉमिस करती हूँ मैं आपकी और मम्मा की सारी बात मानूंगी और खूब अच्छे से पढ़ाई करूंगी। प्लीज पापा ले दो ना। थैंक यू पापा, बेस्ट पापा।
अरे ये मैं क्या सुन रही हूँ, आप फिर इसकी बातों में आ गए। अभी पिछले साल आपने इसको 1.5 लाख का आईफोन लेके दिया, आपने तभी मेरी नहीं सुनी। अभी 4 महीने पहले आपने इसको 4 लाख की बाइक लेके दी, आपने तभी मेरी नहीं सुनी। और अब आप इसको नोवा गाड़ी लेके दे रहे हैं और मुझे पता है आप अभी मेरी नहीं सुनोगे। आप खुद ही सोचिए, आप इसकी जरूरतों को पूरा कर रही हैं या इसकी जिद्दें मान रही हैं?
तुम बिना हमारी बेटी की पीछे पड़ जाती हो। एक तो बेटी हमारी को तुम्हारे किसके लिए है और वो कुछ नहीं तो क्या लगेगा?
मम्मा एक तो आप पापा को भड़काया मत करो। अच्छा बोले पापा मान गया, अब बीच में आपने कुछ ऐसा बोल देना कि पापा नाराज हो जाएंगे।
मेरा तो बोलना ही बेकार है। तुम बात किसी ने आज तक मेरी एक भी मानी है जो मानोगे? जो मन में आए करो।
अरे रेखा तुम तो सही, तुम भी कहीं रुक जाती हो।
तो देखा आप सबने, इस दृश्य ने हमारे सामने एक महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न को ला दिया है। क्या माता पिता का सारा प्यार बच्चों की जिद्दों को पूरी करना है या उन्हें सही गलत का फर्क सिखाना भी उन्हीं की जिम्मेदारी है? देखिए अगले दृश्य में ये कहानी आगे क्या मोड़ लेती है।
आज तो बेटी के लिए गाड़ी ले जाता हूँ, वो खुश हो जाएगी इसको देखकर।
वाह पापा गाड़ी! वाह पापा आप सच में भी इनोवा ले आए। मुझे तो यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा है ये मेरी गाड़ी है। पापा इसका कलर कितना अच्छा है। पापा इसकी एवरेज क्या होगी?
ये लो अपनी गाड़ी की चाबी, अब खुश?
हाँ पापा, पापा बेस्ट पापा। मैं अभी अपने दोस्तों को बता के आती हूँ।
देखा देखा आपने, आप इसकी एक्साइटमेंट देख रही हैं? बस इसीलिए मैं आपको मना कर रही थी। देखा कैसे एवरेज के लिए पूछ रही है। अब कल कोई इसी स्पीड से गाड़ी सड़कों में चलाएगी और अभी तक तो इसका लाइसेंस भी नहीं बना है। मुझे तो ये समझ नहीं आता कि वो तो चलो अभी बच्ची है, पर आपको क्या हो गया है? ना जाने क्यों इस गाड़ी को देख देख कर मुझे किसी अनहोनी की आशंका हो रही है। ना जाने क्यों मेरा दिल घबरा रहा है।
अरे और रेखा तुम ये औरतों के अनहोनी और बहन बच्ची को तो बड़ी खुश तो रहने दो।
पता नहीं क्यों मैं बार बार आपको समझाने आ जाती हूँ, सुननी तो आपको मेरी एक नहीं होती है।
यार दीक्षा तेरे हाथ में चाबी किसकी?
ये मेरी न्यू इनोवा की चाबी है।
यार तुझे इनोवा मिल गई?
ये मिली नहीं, निकलवाई है मैंने।
पर कैसे?
अरे बस थोड़ा रोना, थोड़ा धोना, थोड़ी इमोशन, थोड़ी ड्रामा, ब्लैकमेल करके मैंने अपने पापा से चाबी निकलवा ली। हाँ वो तो है, मेरे पापा बेस्ट पापा हैं।
ठीक है यार, कांग्रेस करके बता मार करते।
अरे कल ही मेरे मम्मी पापा दिल्ली जा रहे हैं और हमारा फार्म हाउस खाली है, तो कल वही होगी पार्टी।
ये जिद, ये इनोवा, ये पार्टी, देखिए आगे क्या रंग लाती है।
यार बहुत हुआ डांस, अब उठा अपनी इनोवा की चाबी और चल लॉन्ग ड्राइव पर। ये
चाय तो ना जरा।
हेलो सर, आप नरेश अग्रवाल बोल रहे हैं? सर मैं एसएचओ समीक्षा बोल रही हूँ। उत्तराखंड ओएनजीसी चौक पर आपके नाम पर रजिस्टर्ड गाड़ी का एक्सीडेंट हो गया है। आप जल्दी से घटनास्थल पर पहुंचे।
क्या देखा?
अरे ये क्या हुआ आपको? अरे ये क्या हुआ आपको? अरे मैं पानी लाती हूँ। अरे ये क्या हुआ आपको? उठिए, क्या हुआ आपको?
हमारा तो संसार ही उड़ गया।
अरे पर हुआ क्या?
हम लुट गए।
अरे पर हुआ क्या, बताइए तो।
हमारी बेटी के गाड़ी का एक्सीडेंट हो गया।
क्या? अरे पर हमने कल ही तो उसे फोन किया था और वो घर में सो रही थी। ये मेरी बेटी कहाँ है और उसकी गाड़ी कहाँ है? अरे बताइए तो।
अभी पुलिस का फोन है, बोलते घटनास्थल पर आ जाओ।
नहीं, ये नहीं हो सकता। मुझे मेरी बेटी के पास ले चलिए।
तेज रफ्तार ने इन्हें मिटा दी। इन्होंने जीते जी अपनों को जिंदा लाश बना दिया। जो इन्होंने किया उसे ना दोहराना तुम। जो इन्होंने किया उसे ना दोहराना तुम। जीवन अमूल्य है, उसे यूं ना गवाना तुम। जीवन अमूल्य है, उसे यूं ना गवाना तुम।
अरे ये क्या हो गया? हे भगवान, मेरी बच्ची कहाँ है? हे भगवान, अरे मेरी बच्ची कहाँ है? अरे ये देखिए, ये धागा जो हमने उसको उसकी जन्मदिन पर बांधा था। हे भगवान, ये क्या हो गया? मैंने आपको पहले ही मना किया था उसको गाड़ी लेके मत दो। अब देखिए क्या हो गया। अगर आप तब मेरी बात मान लेते तो आज हमारी बच्ची हमारे साथ होती। हे भगवान, आपने तो मेरी गोद ही सूनी कर दी।
काश मैं उस दिन अपनी बेटी की जिद ना मानता। काश उस दिन मैं उसको गाड़ी ना लेकर देता तो आज मेरी बच्ची मेरे पास होती। मैंने उसको गाड़ी नहीं बहुत ला कर दी थी।
पापा, 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 पापा मुझे देखो ना पापा, पापा, आप मुझे देख ही नहीं रहे हो। आपको मेरी आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रही क्या? पापा, मुझे देखो ना पापा, रोइए मत, आपकी कोई गलती नहीं है, ये सब मेरी गलती है, मेरी वजह से हुआ है सब। मैंने ही आपके लाड प्यार का नाजायज फायदा उठाया और आज मेरी वजह से मेरे दोस्त भी इस दुनिया से चले गए। उनके माँ बाप के दुखों का कारण भी मैं बन चुकी हूँ। पापा रोइए मत, मुझे अपने पास बुला लीजिए। मुझे आपसे दूर नहीं जाना है, मुझे आपके साथ रहना है। आज मेरी वजह से मेरा हंसता खेलता परिवार तबाह हो गया। मेरे माँ बाप, उनके सपने, मेरी जिंदगी सब। हो सके तो मुझे माफ कर देना पापा, मुझे माफ कर देना। मैं आप सब लोगों से विनती करती हूँ कि अपने बच्चों की नाजायज जिद मत मानिए। वो नाराज होते तो होने दे, पर उनकी गलत जिदों में उनका साथ ना दे। हम बच्चे अपने माँ बाप से कितनी नाजायज बातों की जिद करते हैं और मजबूरन उन्हें हमारी जिद माननी भी पड़ती है। लेकिन अंत में हमारी जिद का यही अंजाम निकलता है। पापा मुझे बुलाइए ना पापा, मेरे पास बुलाइए ना प्लीज।
निशब्द है, मौन है, दर्द गहरा है, आंखें नम है। जिंदगी के इस कड़वे सच से सबक लेना है, जन जन को ये संदेश देना है। पाता हूँ मैं गीत नया गाता हूँ। टूटे हुए सपने की सुने कौन सिसकी, अंतर को चीर बता पलकों पर ठिठकी। मैं हार नहीं मानूंगा, मैं राह नहीं ठानूंगा, मैं हार नहीं मानूंगा, मैं राह नहीं ठानूंगा। काल के कपाल पर मैं लिखता मिटाता हूँ, मैं गीत नया गाता हूँ। माननीय अटल जी की ये पंक्तियां प्रमाण है कि एक सुनहरे अतीत के साथ ही एक प्रेरणादायी भविष्य के सपने देखे जाते हैं। देवी और सज्जनों, हमारा विद्यालय सिर्फ एक इमारत नहीं, जी हाँ, हमारा विद्यालय सिर्फ एक इमारत नहीं, हमारे सपनों की वह नींव है जिस पर हमारा कल टिका है।
Peraspera agastra, a Latin phrase which means through hardships to the stars. फिनाले फिनेस का भांगड़ा और फ्री स्टाइल की धुन, मनमोहक जोड़ियों की ताल और लहरों की चाल, आने वाली प्रस्तुति का यह है पल, हमारे वार्षिकोत्सव का स्वर्णिम कल। आइए दिल खोलकर तालियों के साथ स्वागत करें और नृत्य का आनंद लें।
कई वर्षों पूर्व पीर पंचाल की पहाड़ियों के मध्य चिनाब नदी के तट पर बसे एक छोटे से ग्राम में एक दिव्य स्वप्न ने जन्म लिया। वह स्वप्न था एक ऐसे विद्यालय का जिसकी नींव केवल पानी, मिट्टी, ईंट और कंकर से नहीं, बल्कि नव आशाओं, अटूट उम्मीदों और नई ऊंचाइयों को छूने की आकांक्षा से सुदृढ़ की गई थी।
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई नरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को बार बार आशाएं, तूफानों को छीन के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं,
विद्यालय की उम्मीदों को अंकुरित करने के लिए बच्चों ने अपने नन्हे नन्हे कदमों से सफलता के मार्गों को पार करना आरंभ कर दिया।
ये रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है, हाँ ये सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है, तुझे अब ये दिखाना है। रोके तुझको आँधियाँ, क्या ज़मीन और आसमां पाएगा, जो लक्ष्य है तेरा, लक्ष्य था घर घर में पाना है।
जैसे जैसे समय का पहिया घूमता गया, उस विद्यालय ने नव इमारतों और आधुनिक सुविधाओं के साथ साथ नई ऊंचाइयों को छूने के लिए उम्मीदों को पंख लगा। ऐसी उड़ान भरी कि पूरा आसमान अब उनका था। विजय की राह पर अग्रसर होते हुए हर वर्ष उस विद्यालय की पावन भूमि पर सफलता के पुष्प महकते रहे। यहीं से नवनिर्मित चिकित्सक, तेजस्वी आईएएस अधिकारी और वीर सैनिकों ने जन्म लिया, जिन्होंने न केवल विद्यालय का नाम रोशन किया, बल्कि देश की माटी का गौरव भी बढ़ाया।
आजा आजा जिंद शामी गाने के गले, आजा जरी वाले नी
को छूते हुए प्रगति के हर मार्ग पर अपनी सफलता के पगचिन्ह के छाप छोड़ रहा है, ताकि वो अपनी आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत बन सके। की स्वर्णिम वर्षगांठ पर मिलकर इस गौरवमयी क्षण का हिस्सा बने, जहां शिक्षा और संस्कार जिंदगी जीने के मूल मंत्र हैं। शिक्षा कभी झुकने नहीं देगी और संस्कार कभी गिरने नहीं देगी।
Yeah. तुम भी नाचो, बाजे जम के ताल ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो, हीरो से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो मेरे नाचो, अस्तबल में घोड़े जैसे भाग डोर छोड़ नाचो, पीछो तो रोट मोटा मिर्चा खा के ऐसे नाचो, हाँ जा छोरे हाँ जा गोरे हाँ जा छोरे नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यार नाचो 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 अच्छी मेरी जैसा लगता नाचो 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 बिच्छू का लगा के ऐसा नाचो।
Culture weaves through time, a thread so fine, echoes of the past in each step alive. Nostalgia starts with every song we hear, whispers of memories we hold dear. I must say, the performance was truly a splendid testament to the creativity and the collaborative spirits of the students. Now for the further proceedings, I would like to call Neha ma'am. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What a magical event has been so far. Each performance felt like a page out of a beautifully illustrated book, vibrant, inspiring, and full of life.
Let's take our guests to the special moment that captures the heart and soul of ABS Aknoor, our coffee table book. It's a beautiful compilation of memories and milestones that showcases our journey together.
This book is not just a collection of images, but a reflection of the spirit and achievement of our institution. It celebrates every event, every individual, and of course, every success.
We are thrilled to unveil the ABS Aknoor Coffee Table Book, a tribute to our school experiences.
Now, I would like to call upon the stage patron ABS Aknoor to unveil this masterpiece.
Here's to the memories we have made. In the future, we will continue to build together.
Cheers to ABS Aknoor. Thank you, sir. As we mark this milestone with joy and grace, we recognize the champions of this place.
So let the awards begin with cheer and delight for those who have made our future bright.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we honor those who have not just succeeded, but who have inspired, motivated, and uplifted us from community.
So without further delay, let's begin our prize distribution ceremony.
Now, I would like to call upon the stage Mrs. Neena Srivastav ma'am, Chairperson, Family Welfare Organization, to felicitate the achievers of session 2024-25.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Best Student of the Year Award.
The best student of the award goes to Sonali Dev of class 12th D.
Please put your hands together for Sonali Dev. Congratulations, Sonali.
Now, let's applaud the creativity of our young designers for the Best Logo Design Student category.
And the award goes to Ms. Diya Sharma of class 11C. Please join me in applauding this outstanding student of our school.
Now, it is with immense pride that we invite our extraordinary sports stars who have represented our school with honor at the national level. These young athletes have demonstrated outstanding dedication, teamwork, and perseverance, making all of us proud. Let us welcome them with a thunderous round of applause as I call their names. First, Akash Manhas from class 11th D, who played volleyball in the under-19 category.
Chetan Singh Pawar from class 12th E, who represented us in volleyball under 19.
Nikhil Kumar from class 12E, who showcased his skills in basketball under 19.
Medhana Lakak from class 10C, who made her mark in netball under 17.
Please give a huge round of applause to them. Raj Chahar from class 12C, who represented us in netball under 17.
Samanvi Sharma from class 10th D, who has shined in netball in under 17.
Mohit Kumar from class 8E, our youngest achiever who played netball in the under 14th category.
Last but not the least, it's the time to honor the trailblazers, the achievers, and the pride of our institution, our esteemed alumni.
First, we have the honor of organizing Mr. Gaurav Tagotra, an exceptional alumnus from session 2015-16. He has made his mark in the field of public service, securing an impressive rank 40 in the CASE examination. Let us show our appreciation as we invite him to the stage.
And now, let's call upon the stage Mr. Hriday Bakshi, son of Naib Subedar Sudesh Kumar. He has been recommended for Indian Army in September 2023 and he is now a gentleman cadet at the Cadets Training Wing, CME, Pune. Now, I would request our chief guest to felicitate our teachers. Moving on to the Teachers Award for the Best PGD.
The Best PhD Award goes to Mr. Rajesh Verma.
Please put your hands together for Mr. Rajesh Verma sir, our PGD Mathematics.
Next, we move to the next TGT, the pillars of middle school, guide students through formative years, ensuring a strong academic and moral foundation.
Our first winner is Mr. Rohit Singh, TGT Computer Science. Let's put your hands together for him as he receives his award.
Join me as we call upon the stage our second winner of Best TGT, Mrs. Sarika Rajput. Let's hear it for her with a warm round of applause. Now let's shine a light in our incredible primary teachers, the ones who hold tiny hands and big dreams. The Best Teacher Award goes to two individuals whose love for teaching is boundless.
हमारे प्रथम पुरस्कार प्राप्त करता है प्राइमरी टीचर श्रीमती विजेता चिप। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए।
A logo is less important than the product it signifies. What it represents is more important than what it looks like. Now, let's applaud the creativity of the teacher, PRT teacher. We honor another exceptional educator with the Best Primary Teacher Award. And the award goes to Mrs. Nitika Dubey.
Please put your hands together for Mrs. Nitika Dubey.
A logo is less important than the product it signifies. What it represents is more important than what it looks like. Moving on to our next award, which is Best Logo Design Teachers category. And the Best Logo Design Teacher category goes to Mrs. Sonika Charak. No great institution can function without a strong administrative backbone. Today, we recognize one such gem with the Best Administrative Staff Award.
And the award goes to Mr. Sanjeev Mehra. Let's give him a resounding cheer.
Behind every clean hallway, every smoothly conducted event, and every comforting smile is our supporting staff, who goes above and beyond the call of duty. Today, we honor one such superhero.
The Best Supporting Staff Employee Award goes to Mr. Bishan Das. His hard work and sincerity inspires us all. Now, it's time to honor the house that has set the benchmark in academics, sports, and extracurricular activities. After
a year of hard work, dedication, and exceptional teamwork, the Best House Award Senior Wing goes to Shivaji House. I request teacher in charges and boys and girls house captains to come up on the stage to receive the award.
Put your hands together for Shivaji House. The time has come to recognize and celebrate excellence and teamwork of Junior Wing House.
And the award for the Best House Junior Wing goes to Zorawar House. Heartiest congratulations. hearty round of applause. Their journey is a testament to the power of education, perseverance and dedication. We wish them all continued success in their future endeavors.
To hear your thoughts and reflections on this special occasion. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon, members of the management, the principal, the staff, the faculty, the parents, their children, and ladies and gentlemen. Today, as we come to the culmination of our Army Public School Lucknow's Golden Jubilee celebrations, I witnessed some wonderful events in the last 3 months or so, with a wide range of variety, some enviable talent, a lot of involvement on part of the teachers, the students, all this while not compromising on the activities related to education, sports and other co-curricular activities. The standards that I've witnessed have been rising with every event, and I'm indeed proud and glad to be present during this event. The timings were such that I happened to be in the station and I have been part of this momentous occasion. As you all could have seen through the annual report of the principal and also with the experiences that you see the school here, there's no doubt that the school indeed has carved a niche for itself in the northern zone for sure, and also on the map of India. The remote town of Akhnoor, border town of Akhnoor, has been put on the map of India because of APS Akhnoor's excellent achievements. Our pioneers, our alumni, doing well all over the country and even in the world. And the compliment goes to each one of you who's been involved in this journey and the ones who have been involved earlier. There's no doubt there is extreme sense of dedication and commitment in the staff. The enthusiasm in the children is again very enviable. And I have no doubt that the school is only going to rise higher in its standards from here. Well, as we come to the end of the celebrations, it's a long journey, 50 years. But it's important that we also set the stage for the next 50 years. And we make sure that the school goes from the map of India to the map of world. With the kind of commitment, talent, infrastructure, and the potential in children that I see, I have no doubt that we will soon be at that pedestal where we will be a matter of envy for all the schools. What it needs is nothing much. We need to understand that what do we need to put in the students, in the children today. Besides quality education, it's very important that we expose them into various other domains which are part of personality development. Mere education without values, ethics, and a good personality and other traits may not take us to the place where we desire to go. And the talent that I have seen here in the children, I have no doubt that we have the potential, and it's just that little fine-tuning that we need to get them to that pedestal. I am very happy to see the kind of variety in the co-curricular activities that we undertake in the school, but there's never an end. There's always a scope to add more, and I'm sure as we increase our interaction with other schools and there's more of cross-pollination, and we identify the areas where we need to work, we will be introducing all those things in the school. We have some plans in place. We have been discussing with the management and the principal and the staff. We are looking at even improving the infrastructure even more. We are looking at providing more sports facilities. We are trying to get the classes upgraded with more technology infused. We are looking at probably giving more sense of security with the security wall coming up. And there are some projects that we have in the pipeline. At the same time, we also need to identify a lot of areas. Maybe it's activity clubs, maybe it's introduction of children into some niche domains that are going to be the ones which are going to rule the world in the future. We need to introduce more subjects, we need to introduce more sports, so that the talent which is there has an opportunity to come up and flourish and make a mark for itself somewhere. To the children, all I would say that please use this time. School days are golden days. I mentioned this earlier also to you all. Ensure that you learn good things. Ensure that you study well. Build a bond amongst yourself, which you want to foster for future. The alumni, I would request to reach out, motivate the people, have that connect where we can look after each other as we move out from the school and come into the domains of our work. And it would be a pleasure to see the children of this beautiful school and this beautiful region do well, have their names somewhere where I come across in one of the newspapers, on the television. It's going to give me the most maximum pride that I can imagine. Wishing you all the very best. To the parents, I would request that believe in the school. To the children, to the staff, to the faculty, as the principal had brought out, dream and believe. You dream and you believe that you are the best, and whatever, have a pride in the school, and whatever you feel needs to be done, please come up with the feedback, and we assure you we're going to add on those things and leave no space for you to be not proud of your school as the best school in this country and amongst the best in the world. Wishing you all the very best. Take care. God bless.
Thank you so much, sir, for those inspiring words. Your presence here adds immense value to this occasion.
As we are near the end of this wonderful event, it's time for us to express our gratitude to everyone who has made this event so special.
To do so, I would like to invite our esteemed Vice Principal, sir, to deliver the vote of thanks. Please join me in welcoming him on the stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. As we come to close of today's grand celebration, Swarnam Pratishtha, I feel honored and privileged to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of Ami Public School, Akhnoor. First and foremost, I extend my deepest gratitude to our chief guest, Major General Samir Shrivastava, Vishesh Seva Medal, General Commanding Officer, 10 Rapid and Patron of Army Public School, and Mrs. Meena Shrivastava, Chairperson, Family Welfare Organization, 10 Rapid. Your support and appreciation mean a lot to us. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir, from core of our heart. I would also like to thank our chairman, sir, Brigadier Ankur Banga, Vishesh Seva Medal, Commander 130 Armored Brigade, for their unwavering support and guidance for organizing this event. Without your vision and leadership, this day would not have been such a success. We also thank our esteemed dignitaries, distinguished guests, principals of different schools, media persons, taking time out for their busy schedule to join us in this Golden Jubilee celebration. A heartfelt thanks and appreciation to our parents for their constant support and encouragement. Your partnership plays a crucial role in shaping the future of our students. A special thanks goes to our talented students, teachers and staff members whose dedication and hard work have made this event a grand success. Your creativity, efforts and commitments make this day more memorable. We also extend our gratitude to our alumni who have come forward to celebrate this milestone with us. You are the true school legacy and source of inspiration for our current students. Finally, a big thank and acknowledge to our technical team and sporting staff. Each one of you have played a vital role in today's success. Once again, thank you so much, ma'am, sir, for being with us and making this day worth remembering. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now I would request all the esteemed guests to rise for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Now, I request all the dignitaries to please proceed towards the cake cutting ceremony and tea. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Ini